back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, I'm finally back doing another hair video for you guys. It's been like a month and a half, but if you guys have watched my last two videos, you've seen that I had braids. But now I'm back and I have this nice curly unit for, you know, the last little bit of summer that's here. So yeah, let's get into the details. So this wig was sent to me by SVT Hair. I've never worked with them before, but they reached out to me and was wondering if I could, you know, do a collab and promote this wig for them. And they sent me a piece of paper, like giving me all the specs of the hair, so I'm gonna let you guys know. It is 13 by 4. It's Peruvian deep wave, then 26 inches, and it's 150% density. So it comes like stretching, comes like waistline, so it's kind of true to length. It's super soft, as you guys can see. It does say that this was HD lace, but in my opinion it's not. It's more so transparent. As you guys can see, like this white line right here, I'm gonna be honest, it was kind of hard for me to blend it because if you guys know already, I like working with transparent lace. I like working with HD lace more than transparent. So you see me looking over here, I'm looking in my mirror. But besides it not being as thin as I had hoped, the hair is really soft. All I did on this unit, it came pre-plucked, but you do have to bleach the knots if you choose to order this unit. And if you can see, like, it looks really nice, minus this one part with the lace. Like, I did go in and pluck it just a little bit more, but you don't have to at all, because like I said, it comes pre-plucked. You just have to bleach the knots. And of course, like, doing that, I washed the unit, and that was really it. And you guys are gonna see I'm using glue again, and I'm using the Erika J Hold Me Down glue. I was super excited. I just ordered this like 2 weeks ago and it came in super quick. And honestly, I'm gonna let you guys know in like the next video how it holds up, but right now it's not going nowhere. Okay, it's not going nowhere. So yeah, this install was pretty quick. As you guys can see, like, the video is not gonna be long at all. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'm excited to be back doing hair videos. I have a few more already lined up to do and get out for you guys, so I'm excited. And please make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what you want to see next. Tell me what colors you guys want to see, what styles you want to see, because I'm trying to get back in this, you know, wig game and start, you know, getting more videos out. And also let me know if you guys like the vlogs that I've been posting. But other than that, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and make sure you guys go check out SVT Hair. All right, hey y'all, so this is of course gonna be another voiceover video, and I'm gonna do it like how I always install my wigs. This time I'm just using glue, and I've done glue as well before, but as you guys know, I'm really like a hairspray type person, quick install and go. But right here, I did not choose to do a bald cap method with this unit. I just decided to do, like, just put on my wig cap, tint it, and go about my day, because my bald cap, it gets kind of hard, okay? I be stressing myself out. But right here, I'm just, like y'all seen, I just placed the wig on my head. I already tinted the lace with my even lace tint in medium brown, like I always do. And right here, I'm just pinning back the hair, and I did off camera hot comb like all the flyaway hairs away, and I put like wax all around the perimeter just so it can give me like a clear space of where I'm gonna be cutting and where like the glue is gonna be placed. So yeah, I took some clips, pinned my hair back, and for this I'm gonna cut it into 3 sections just so it can be easier for me. I'm not like super good at using glue. Like I said, I'm normally just good at using hairspray, but this helps me be more precise and just know where the glue needs to go, and I get to see when it's dry and go from there. So yeah, I'm using the Erika J glue, as you guys can see, and I do want to say this stuff it works, okay? It does not move. Like the lace, it won't move, okay? But yeah, that's all I'm doing right here, and I'm taking my eyebrow pencil just to mark where I want the lace to sit at. And other than that, y'all, this is like kind of self-explanatory. If you've seen my videos before, it's kind of simple. Just place the glue. I did 2 layers for each section. I let it dry. I placed the lace down, put my scarf on. And like I said, it's self-explanatory. Y'all are going to see. But I hope y'all enjoy this video and keep watching. And at the end of this video, I do have what this hair looks like in the lighting. And also make sure you follow me on Instagram because y'all will see all the pictures I took. Okay? So yeah, thanks again for watching. And I'm going to check back in with y'all at the end of the video. Hey y'all, so I just wanted to chime in right here because as you can see the install is basically done, and y'all, I really feel like it looked melted in my opinion, like minus the white cast which eventually like went away just a little bit, not all the way, but I feel like it blended. I just added more hairspray to make it melt some more, and I tied my scarf down. But as you can see right here, I'm doing my baby hairs, and I normally cut this part out because I feel like it's the hardest part of the install in my opinion. But I already had an idea of what I wanted to do with this unit when I got it. So y'all are going to see I did like a flip over method, and I just did baby hairs right there on the side, and I believe I did one in the middle. But all I used for this was edge control, and I used my scissors to cut it. So yeah, hope you guys. Alright y'all, so here's the final look that I went for. Nice and big, messy and poofy, just the way I wanted it. And you guys are going to see in the next clip how it looks like in the outside, like in the natural light, and how it looks with some water and some mousse added to it. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Hey guys, so you just watched in the last few clips how I installed this unit, and I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like in natural lighting, just in case you guys don't follow me on Instagram. You won't see the pictures, but here's how it's looking. Super big and poofy, just the way I want it. And yeah, all I did was take my hot comb and put some wax on the sides just to lay this down. I just sprayed it with water, and this is how it's looking. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure you guys check out this hair with the link in the description. Bye.